Hello, my name is Isaac, and this is for my winter 2019 CSE 110 with Mr. Wellman, and I'll be doing example 8 from chapter 5. So pretty much I imported the turtle, then did def draw bar t height. So if the height was greater than or equal to 200, t colored, so the outline of the bar graph would be blue, but it will fill red. Then elf height. So if height was greater than or equal to 100, it would outline blue but fill yellow. And then else, anything else, it would outline blue and it would fill green. So these are my functions to actually build the bar graph. Then this was to import the bar, or like make turtle. That was the name. Test is the name of my turtle. And these are the points I want the bar graph to make, to show. And these is pretty much the function to make my bar graph. So when we run this, we get a bunch of bar graphs in different colors depending. So we have 48, 117, 200, 240, 160, 260, and 220, and all depending on how high they are is what color they are. Thank you.